Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter in a 2019 to 2025 Subaru Forester. The hood release is in the driver's footwell area at the bottom of the dash. The secondary safety latch is underneath the Subaru logo at the front. Push it to the left and open the hood. The hood prop goes in the hole right here. The engine air filter is inside this filter box. Unclip these two clips, move the cover out of the way, and pull the filter out. The new filter goes in just like the old one. The paper filter material goes towards the front of the car, and the rubber meets up between the two halves of the box. Then put the box back together with the tabs at the bottom, and then clip the two clips in place. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.